Hello. My name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. AWP went public on April 26, 2007, which was roughly 16 years and 1 month ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Monday, May 1, 2023 to Wednesday, July 21, 2021, we found 448 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for AWP after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for AWP.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for AWP? On Monday, May 1, 2023, AWP had an end-of-day price of $4.01 and volume of about 225,000. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 0%, gaining $0, while volume dropped 24.11%, decreasing about 71.5 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 23 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 4.08 and 3.85. Volume saw a range of 505.4 thousand, from a day low of 116.6 thousand to a day high of 621.9 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did the 1st of May 2023 rank for AWP? By 650 calendar day look back to July 21, 2021, across 448 trading days, of which the 1st of May 2023 price ranked 381 while its volume ranked 354. Each of the 448 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 448 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days' trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 0% on the 1st of May 2023, had a day rank of 200 while its dollar difference of $0 had a rank of 200 when compared day over day across 447 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 318 and 312.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did the 1st of May 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 448 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for AWP was $6.85 while the minimum was $3.65. Within that price range, the 1st of May 2023 price, of $4.01, landed within the first quartile, meaning it was within the bottom 25% of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the first quartile, at the bottom 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 1.9 million and a minimum of 109.4 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, AWP has a median price of $5.22. Therefore, the 1st of May 2023 price was lower from that middle marker by 23.18%. The day's volume of 225,000 was less than the median by 28.8%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for AWP? Across 448 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end-of-month average price was $6.68 for 07/2021, while the minimum was $3.78 for 10/2020 seconds. Looking at volume, 05/2022 and 07/2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 561.5 thousand and 218,000.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for AWP? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 22-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 07/2021 to 03/2023, out of 22 month ends, 14 had a negative percentage change in average price. Meaning 64% of month ends saw a negative percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 0.68% in average percentage change, along with a minimum of -1.17%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 58.60% and 4.22%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has AWP price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found death cross signal for the 30 to 50. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, the 50 to 200.
Hello, my name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. A Braden Global Premier Properties Fund is a closed-end equity mutual fund launched and managed by Alpine Woods Capital Investors, LLC. It invests in the public equity markets across the globe. The fund invests in stocks of companies operating across real estate sectors. It invests in value stocks of companies. The fund employs fundamental analysis with top-down and bottom-up stock-picking approach to create its portfolio. It benchmarks the performance of its portfolio against the FTSE EPRA, NAREIT Global TR Index, MSCI US REIT Gross Total Return Index, and S&P developed BMI Property Index Net TR Index. A Braddon Global Premier Properties Fund was formed on February 13, 2007 and is domiciled in the United States.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are, because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
We wanted to be more entertaining, so here are some arts that were generated by artificial intelligence. In this initial installation, we asked a deep learning model, that had been trained with over 5 billion images, to paint an image of the literal term, stock market, by using the style of specific well-known artists. Here is Stock Market, generated in the style of Gu Kaizi. Gu Kaizi, born around 344 and died around 406 AD, was a Chinese painter and calligrapher who is considered one of the most important figures in the history of Chinese art. Born in Wuxi, China, he served as a court painter during the Eastern Jin dynasty and was renowned for his skill in creating delicate, highly detailed paintings. One interesting fact about Gu Kaizi is that he was one of the earliest Chinese artists to write extensively about the art of painting. He wrote several treatises on the subject, including On Painting, which remains a highly influential text in the field of Chinese art history. Another lesser-known aspect of Gu Kaizi's life is his interest in Buddhism and Taoism. He was known for his ability to depict religious and mythological scenes with great sensitivity and subtlety, and his paintings often include figures from Chinese folklore and religious traditions. Despite the challenges he faced in his personal and professional life, Gu Kaizi left an enduring legacy in the world of Chinese art. His work continues to be celebrated and studied today, and his influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of artists. Here is Stock Market, generated in the style of Lois Mailou Jones. Lois Mailou Jones, born in 1905 and died in 1998, was an African-American artist who made significant contributions to the world of modern art. Born in Boston, Massachusetts, she studied at the School of the Museum of Fine Arts and later at the Académie Julian in Paris, where she was exposed to the work of such masters as Matisse and Picasso. One interesting fact about Lois Mailou Jones is that she was a skilled textile designer, in addition to her work as a painter. She created a number of striking designs for fabrics, wallpapers, and other decorative objects, and her work in this area was highly regarded. Another lesser-known aspect of Jones' life is her interest in African art and culture. She was deeply influenced by the work of African artists, and her paintings often incorporate elements of African design and motifs. She even traveled to Africa several times throughout her career to study the art and culture of the continent. Despite the discrimination and obstacles she faced as a black woman artist in the United States, Lois Mailou Jones left an enduring legacy in the world of modern art. Her work continues to be celebrated and studied today, and her influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of African American artists. Here is Stock Market, generated in the style of Maggie Laubser. Maggie Laubser, born in 1886 and died in 1973, was a South African painter who played a key role in the development of modern art in South Africa. Born in Germany, she moved to South Africa with her family at a young age and developed a deep love for the natural world and the landscape of the country. One interesting fact about Maggie Laubser is that she was largely self-taught as an artist. She began painting at a young age and developed her skills through experimentation and independent study, rather than through formal training. Another lesser-known aspect of Laubser's life is her interest in mysticism and spirituality. She was drawn to the teachings of theosophy and other esoteric movements, and her paintings often reflect her interest in the spiritual dimensions of human experience. Despite the challenges she faced as a female artist in a male-dominated field, Maggie Laubser left an enduring legacy in the world of South African art. Her work is characterized by its bold colors, dynamic brushwork, and expressive use of line and form, and her influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of South African artists. Here is Stock Market, generated in the style of Esther Malangu. Esther Malangu, born in 1935, is a South African artist known for her colorful, geometric paintings and murals inspired by the Ndebele tradition. Born in the rural town of Middelburg, South Africa, she grew up in a family of traditional Ndebele artists and learned the craft from her mother and grandmother. One interesting fact about Esther Malangu is that she is largely self-taught and has never received any formal art education. Despite this, her work has been exhibited in museums and galleries around the world, and she has received numerous awards and honors for her contributions to South African art. Another lesser-known aspect of Malangu's life is her commitment to preserving and promoting Ndebele culture. She has taught workshops and master classes around the world, sharing her knowledge and skills with a new generation of artists and students. In addition to her work as a painter and muralist, Malangu has also collaborated with several major brands and companies, including BMW and Belvedere Vodka, creating unique designs that incorporate her signature style and motifs. Esther Malangu's work has helped to bring international attention to the rich artistic traditions of South Africa, and her legacy continues to inspire and influence artists around the world. Here is stock market, generated in the style of Anita Malfatti. Anita Malfatti, born in 1889 and died in 1964, was a Brazilian painter and sculptor who played a key role in the development of modern art in Brazil. Born in São Paulo, she studied art in Germany and France before returning to Brazil and becoming a leading figure in the modernist movement. One interesting fact about Anita Malfatti is that she was heavily influenced by the work of the German expressionist painters, and her early work was characterized by its bold colors and dramatic, emotive brushwork. Her 1917 exhibition in São Paulo, which featured these works, was met with both admiration and controversy, and sparked a heated debate about the direction of Brazilian art. Another lesser-known aspect of Malfatti's life is her interest in spirituality and mysticism. She was drawn to the teachings of theosophy and other esoteric movements, and her paintings often incorporate symbolic and metaphysical themes. Despite the challenges she faced as a female artist in a male-dominated field, Anita Malfatti left an enduring legacy in the world of Brazilian art. Her work is characterized by its innovative use of color and form, and her influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of Brazilian artists. She was also a dedicated teacher, and her students included some of the most important artists of the modernist movement in Brazil. Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities, affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video, are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video,